everybody.
Good morning.
Morning, Carrie. You're up early this morning.
Good morning, everyone. Now, today, we're going to be moving these big piles of gravel, which means a lot of extra dumping. So, I've brought in an extra dumper to help Lug and Scooch.
Oh, I wonder if he'll be like me.
Maybe you'll be like me.
Meet Skatch.
G'day, mates. Not exactly like you, Scooch.
And not exactly like you, Lug.
Woohoo! Hey, you up there with a jib. Call that a bucket? I've seen bigger buckets hanging down a well. Don't worry, mate. Only pulling your piston.
Pulling my... Oh, that's very funny. I always enjoy a good buckety joke.
Skatch, you will be working with Diggs and Carrie.
So, what have we got to diggery-do?
Ooh, I love the way you talk.
Those speed stripes are top gear. Do they make you go faster?
Want to find out? How about a race?
Scooch, you can help Lug fill in the holes in the supply area.
Oh, okay, Bosa. Bye, Diggs and Carrie. See you later.
So, we got to move this pile, eh?
Oh, it's a big un.
Call that a big un? I've seen bigger piles on the top of a wheelbarrow.
Oh, Skatch, you are funny. Oh, sounds like Diggs, Skatch and Carrie are having fun.
Well, so they should be. That Sketch is a very funny fellow. Very funny indeed.
You make work really exciting, Sketch.
I diggery-do my best.
And I love that diggery thing you do.
Now, I'm just going to take some of this gravel over to the supply area. Please don't do anything exciting or funny till I get back.
Well, I'll try not to, Diggsy, me old mate.
Hi, Scooch. Sorry, can't stop. Sketch makes work so exciting, I can't miss a minute.
Oh, that must be really nice.
And he's so funny, so funny.
Now Diggs and Carrie have got Skatch. They won't want to work with Scooch again.
Do my best.
I'm back. You can be funny now.
Oh, hey, I've got a better idea. How'd you like to do something really exciting?
What?
It's a game called Running on Empty. Do you want to play?
What do we have to do?
Just drive like the wind, my machiney mates, and I'll tell you when we get to the best bit. On your marks, get set, go!
Lug,
Oh, yes?
Lug, do you think I'm boring?
Well, dump trucks are never very exciting.
Oh, but Skatch is a dump truck and he's exciting and funny.
Ah, yes. Well, it takes all sort of dumpers to make a world. But I think that being sensible and looking after your workmates are the most important things.
Oh, thanks, Lug.
A pleasure.
Oh, that's funny. Skatch, Diggs and Carrie have gone very quiet. Oh, I think I better just go and check to see if they're all right.
So, what's supposed to happen in this game? My batteries have nearly run down.
And I'm almost out of fuel.
That's exactly what's supposed to happen. We roll and roll until we're empty, then see who can get the furthest with nothing in the tank.
What? You brought us all the way out here so we can run out of power?
Well, yeah.
How are we supposed to get back?
Ah, well,
I've got a bit of fuel left. I'll try and get back to Boza.
Diggs! Carrie!
Scooch!
Diggs, what happened?
Oh, Skatch made us play this stupid game and we all ran out of fuel. Is there any way you can go and get us some more, Scooch?
I'll go and ask Boza. Oh, wait a minute. That's not very exciting. Diggs, if Skatch were going to get more fuel, what would he do?
Well, he'd turn it into an exciting rescue mission.
Oh, and what would he do first?
Well, first...
Mission: collect fuel and be exciting.
He'd managed to get the shed door open all on his own. He'd then get some cans of fuel in his hopper without any help.
Scanning.
Then he'd get some batteries for Carrie.
Batteries located.
It's no good. I'm Scooch, not Skatch. I'm going to have to ask Boza for help. Boza!
I'm glad you told me about Skatch. Making machines run out of petrol is a very dangerous thing to do.
I'm sorry, Diggs. I try to do things the exciting Skatch way, but I'm just not that kind of machine.
Thank goodness for that. I knew you'd do the sensible thing. You really are a top track, Scooch.
Am I?
well, see ya, mate.
Bye, Skatch!
Come along, young Sketch. You can come with me and tell me more of your hysterical buckety joke.
Speed stripes don't look quite so speedy when they're being towed, do they?
No.
I thought you liked Skatch more than me.
Scooch, how could you think that? It was just different. Anyway, all that diggery-do stuff was getting really irritating.
I'll say. And you worried about us and tried to find us. You're our top best buddy.
Yeah,
Even though I'm not very funny.
but you are funny.
I am. When?
When you pull that face.
What face?
That face.
face.
And you're funny when you do this.
But I don't do that.
You're doing it now.
Scooch, you're hilarious.
I'm hilarious.